What if your company was missing out on the full benefits of artificial intelligence simply because your team doesn't trust it? Recent research reveals that even when AI consistently provides better insights, many people are reluctant to rely on it. This unconscious bias against machines, known as algorithm aversion, is holding businesses back from leveraging AI's true potential. In today's video, we'll dive into groundbreaking research that uncovers why we instinctively distrust AI and how this impacts business decisions. Stick around to learn how understanding these biases can give your business a competitive edge. These are the top 5 ideas from the paper. Implicit prejudice against AI. The first and perhaps most striking finding from the research is that people often harbor an unconscious bias against AI. This implicit prejudice is rooted in human nature. Much like other social biases, we instinctively distrust entities that are unfamiliar or that we don't fully understand. In the context of AI, this manifests as a reluctance to trust machine-generated advice, even when it's objectively superior to human input. This bias can have significant implications for businesses, where decisions increasingly depend on data-driven insights provided by AI. If your team is unconsciously biased against AI, they may ignore valuable recommendations, ultimately leading to suboptimal outcomes. 2. Experience can overcome bias. While this implicit bias against AI is powerful, it's not permanent. One of the key insights from the paper is that as people gain experience with AI systems and witness their capabilities firsthand, their biases begin to fade. This happens because as AI proves its value over time, users start to rely less on their gut feelings and more on the data in front of them. For businesses, this means that the introduction of AI tools should be a gradual, deliberate process. By allowing teams to interact with AI in controlled environments, companies can help employees overcome their initial hesitations and see the technology for what it truly is: a powerful tool that complements rather than threatens human intelligence. 3. Shifting from algorithm aversion to appreciation. Initially, people may resist AI's input, a phenomenon the researchers describe as algorithm aversion. But as time goes on and they observe the system's accuracy, they begin to appreciate its value. This shift from aversion to appreciation is critical for businesses. Companies that foster this transition can unlock higher levels of productivity and efficiency. By encouraging employees to take small steps in using AI, perhaps starting with low-risk decisions, organizations can gradually build a culture where AI is not seen as a threat, but as a trusted partner in the decision-making process. 4. Stronger prejudice against AI compared to human experts. Another intriguing insight from the research is that people's bias against AI is even stronger when they compare it to human experts. Despite evidence that AI can often outperform human decision-makers in specific tasks, individuals tend to place more trust in human experts. This highlights a key challenge for businesses aiming to integrate AI into decision-making processes. The natural tendency will be to defer to human expertise, even when AI might offer a more precise solution. This doesn't mean AI should replace human experts, but suggests that companies need to carefully position AI as a complement to human decision-makers. The real power comes when AI enhances human capabilities, providing data-driven insights that experts can use to make more informed choices. The somatic marker hypothesis in AI trust. The research draws on the somatic marker hypothesis to explain why people's initial reactions to AI are often based on gut feelings rather than rational analysis. When we lack sufficient information, we tend to rely on emotional, instinctive responses, our somatic markers, to make decisions. In the case of AI, this means that when people first interact with a machine they know little about, they default to their initial, often negative biases. However, the study also shows that as people gather more information about the AI's performance, such as through feedback on the accuracy of its predictions, their reliance on gut feelings diminishes. For businesses, this suggests that one way to overcome algorithm aversion is by providing employees with clear, objective data on AI performance. Transparency and feedback loops are crucial to building trust. Now that you have learned about the key research findings from today's paper, these are the 5 most important lessons you can immediately apply in your business. 1. Acknowledge and address implicit biases. One of the most important takeaways from this research is that biases against AI exist, even if they are unconscious. Businesses must first acknowledge these biases before they can address them. This involves open conversations about the role of AI and its potential within the company. Training and education can help demystify AI, making it more approachable for employees. By addressing these concerns head-on, leaders can create an environment where AI is embraced rather than feared. 2. Introduce AI gradually and provide positive feedback experience is a powerful antidote to algorithm aversion. By slowly integrating AI tools into everyday workflows, businesses can give employees the time and space they need to get comfortable with the technology. Start by using AI in low-risk areas where its benefits are clear and tangible. Over time, employees will build trust in the technology as they see it improve their performance. Additionally, providing feedback on AI's performance, such as showing how often the AI made accurate predictions, can reinforce this trust and encourage continued use. 3. Balance AI and human expertise. AI should not be seen as a replacement for human decision-making, but as a powerful complement to it. In business, the best outcomes often come from a combination of AI's data processing capabilities and human intuition. Encourage your team to use AI for what it excels at, processing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns, while relying on human expertise to provide context and strategic insights. This balance will ensure that your company benefits from both the precision of AI and the creativity and adaptability of human thought. 4. Foster trust through transparency. Trust is the cornerstone of successful AI integration, and transparency is essential for building this trust. Employees are more likely to rely on AI when they understand how it works and why it makes certain recommendations. Businesses should focus on making AI processes more transparent by providing insights into how decisions are made and offering confidence scores where applicable. For example, if an AI tool suggests a marketing strategy, showing its level of confidence in that decision will help marketers balance AI insights with their own experience, leading to more informed choices. 5. Promote AI literacy to stay competitive. In a world where AI is becoming increasingly essential to business success, promoting AI literacy within your organization is key. This means not only educating employees about how AI works, but also encouraging them to stay updated on the latest developments in the field. By fostering a culture of continuous learning, businesses can ensure that their teams are equipped to harness AI's full potential. Staying ahead in AI adoption and literacy will set your company apart from competitors who are slower to adapt.